Picture this. You open your investment app on a Tuesday morning. Nothing special about the day.
And you look at the number on the screen, and for the first time in your life, it has 5 digits before the decimal point. $50,000.
You built that, month by month, paycheck by paycheck. Every time you said no to something you wanted, so you could say yes to your future instead. It doesn't feel the way you thought it would. You're not popping champagne. You're not calling your parents. You're sitting there with your coffee going cold, staring at your phone and thinking, okay, now what?
My name is Nick, and I spend a probably unhealthy amount of time thinking about money, financial psychology, and the specific moments where the rules of the game quietly change underneath your feet.
There are exactly 3 things that shift when you cross the $50,000 threshold. One is financial, one is psychological, and one is something almost nobody talks about. When you have $1,000 invested and you earn an 8% annual return, you make $80. When you hit $50,000, at 8% annual return, your money is generating $4,000 a year. $4,000 a year breaks down to roughly $333 a month. Money appearing in your account, because money that used to be your paycheck is now working a second job on your behalf. Say you hit $50,000 at age 30, and you never add another dollar. By the time you're 60, that $50,000 has become over $500,000. Before $50,000, you are the engine. After $50,000, you get a co-pilot. At $50,000, your relationship with risk fundamentally changes. You could invest in a friend's business, take 3 months off between jobs, put a down payment on a rental property, fund a course, a move, a calculated risk on yourself. Research consistently shows that financial security shifts your brain from avoiding loss to moving toward opportunity. At $20,000, that walking away money is real but fragile. At $50,000, the walking away money becomes genuine walking away power. They ask for the raise with a steadiness that surprises people. They push back on unreasonable demands without the slight tremor of someone who needs this job more than this job needs them. It's called lifestyle inflation. And at $50,000, it is more dangerous than at any previous milestone. Say you hit $50,000 and you reward yourself with a nicer apartment that costs $500 more per month. Over 10 years, that $500 a month doesn't just cost $60,000. It costs you something closer to $90,000 in future wealth. The wealthiest people treat the accumulation phase like it has an end date. They don't expand their lifestyle at every milestone. First, automate aggressively. Set your contributions to auto-transfer the day your paycheck hits. Leave the $50,000 alone. This is not a down payment fund. This is the seed capital for a version of your future self you haven't met yet. Increase your income before you increase your spending. A raise, a side income, a career move, a skill upgrade, any of these pointed at the same disciplined savings behavior multiplies everything. The distance between $0 and $50,000 feels enormous from where most people start, and then they crossed it. If you are investing over a long time horizon and a market crashes at $50,000, that is not a catastrophe. It is a sale. The right time to do this was 10 years ago. The second right time is right now. The transformation that happens at $50,000 isn't in your bank account. It's in who you had to become to get there. The $50,000 isn't the destination. It's the moment the game finally starts playing in your favor.